This is a pretty cool find. It's a sonic toothbrush. I don't think I've ever used a toothbrush, even that was a sonic toothbrush. And if I did, I don't remember directly. But overall, electric toothbrush on top of it. Overall, this is the GuruNanda Cruiser. Forgive me if I said that wrong. But this is it. It is pretty powerful. And it's a very unique setup because the charging port, because it's rechargeable, is located at the bottom. And there's the charging cord there. And there's the spare toothbrush, which is pretty cool. So you just, I'm trying to do it with one hand, so bear with me, please, while I try to just place it back. And you just close it back up when you're not trying to charge it. It came pretty charged. Like, it's pretty strong. Pretty strong. It brushes teeth very well. And it has the 2-minute setting. So it's a smart timer on it. It has 2 modes, which I can demonstrate. That's one. Oops, sorry. That was a quieter one. So it's there. Oops. There. And there we go. Pretty good toothbrush. So far, I like it.
Hello, this sonic toothbrush comes with an extra head, and it also comes with a cover to protect the brush head when you're traveling. It turns on easily. It isn't too loud, and I hope that this shows it in a way that's going to help you to decide if this particular